welcome back to my channel, Glam Squad. I'm so happy to see you today, and I hope you're doing just as fabulous as you're looking. So what we have here is a broken nail, and I don't get those very often, so I thought I would take this opportunity to show you how I'm going to remove that. So it's broken in a bad spot, and trying to remove it with the nippers would really probably cause some problems and pain. So I'm just really thinning it out. I'm thinning and thinning in that area. It's not on my actual nail bed. And basically what I'm able to do is get it so thin that now I can clip that without causing any pain whatsoever. Now it was broken in two spots with a little section in the middle. So I'm going to come back in with my drill and first take that off so it's not causing any sort of snagging or anything on the drill bit. And once that's completely removed, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the rest of the nail the normal way. I'm going to take off all the other nails, and then I'm going to add some new ones with this Eye Method Beauty poly gel, and this is in the natural pink, and I'm only going to show you this one because it's very repetitive. I've got all the other four done, and I'm just patting and patting and patting that into place. So that nail breaking was, well, of course, a bummer. Was kind of cool because I really wanted to use my cat eye polish, and so that's what we're gonna do. That's why I'm just doing a very simple set. We're not encapsulating anything. We're not adding anything. We're not doing layers. It's just a quick poly gel set. I will say I made a mistake, and while normally I do put down a thin layer of clear, for some reason I didn't do that, and I regret it. I have to say, not doing it just solidifies how much I like doing that. So shame on me, but also a learning experience, and all of our nail work is a learning curve. Even when we're finally gotten to the place we thought we always wanted to be, there's always more to learn. So you don't know what you can't see till you get where you think you want to be. So I didn't mean for that to rhyme, but it did. So we're about finished with this nail, and then we're going to pop her in the lamp for 60 full seconds, and then we're going to use these cat eye polishes. Dogs, please stop. I'm babysitting my daughter's dog, and so we're at her house, and my dog and him really like to play, so you may hear them in the background here getting a little noisy. So on the thumb, we're just coming in with the blue. It's I'll link it, but I'll name it below. I can't link it because I didn't buy it online. And then I'm coming in and just doing kind of a random pushing the little metal pieces around. You two, stop that now. I'm busy. They're being adorable. My dog is a Chiweenie, and my daughter's dog is a pit bull mix, so their sizes are very different, but my dog is definitely the one that runs the show, so to speak. He's the one that's a little more fierce and a little more demanding if he doesn't want to play, so it's kind of cute. And there's also an age difference, so that has something to do with it. I'm gonna say this pink one is so subtle that I can barely tell when I've moved those little metal cat eye bits. The whole reason that I decided I wanted to do this set is we're about to do a little vertical ombre here, is just to test them out and to play with them off camera, playing around with my new stuff. I had done a little ombre, and I was like, that looks like celestial nails to me, and so I knew I wanted to wear them. And the only regret I have with this set is that I don't think I went far enough. I think I should have really pushed it and gone further. So definitely keep an eye peeled to the channel for further celestial or galaxy style nails, because I don't think I went far enough, right? I just don't. So, but I think these two colors really ombre together beautifully. I think the color they make when they ombre together is just gorgeous. I think the cat eye with this polish, especially the blue one, is very pretty. Look at that. And I think when you pair it with the pink, it does sort of make, or pair the pink with the blue rather, I think it makes the pink's cat eye a little more obvious because it's coming they're together, right? So I'm sure you can hear my dog. That growling sound, that's my dog. That's the little dog, not the big dog. The big dog's pretty quiet when they play. My dog sounds like a little buzzsaw. So I am showing both parts of the ombre because I know my glam squad appreciates that. So I want to give you what you want. And it did make a little boo-boo there, so we're cleaning that up. Please be careful with your gels. You don't want to get that on you. You just don't. But sometimes it happens. That's why you want to be careful so those sometimes don't start causing a sensitivity to your skin or anything. That's all. So I'm trying to really just sort of flow the ombre, like if you look at the ring finger, the middle finger, and the pinky, it's blue surrounding the pink, and then this one's the blue with a little bit of pink, and the thumb is just straight blue. And if you're looking at space, you know, it's kind of weird and flowy and awesome. So if you watched Wednesday's video, this is one of the packs of stickers that I got, and it's actually just one card of stickers. And I'm going to show you the first two that I try to pull up, completely rip in half. These are more than delicate. They are like just crumble apart delicate. So the ones that are really intricate star shapes, I'm not sure if I'm ever going to be able to get those off in a way that I can use them. We're not giving up, but it is difficult. Now I did get this nice moon shape off really well, mainly because it's a full circle and it just peeled up. Same thing with this sun, which is I think my favorite of the stickers I used. And I did get a couple of the star stickers to come off for me, so we're going to throw those on here as well. There's the first one. You've got to be so careful and come from different angles and just really be patient with yourself. Don't try to push it. Don't try to rush, because otherwise you're not going to get anywhere. It's not going to work. I do want to say I'm sorry you don't see me put the tiny star on the index finger. I was a little out of frame, so I don't have footage of that, but you will see it here. See, there it is right there. It's super cute. I love this set, but like I said, my one regret is that I didn't push it a little harder. I should have added a little flare of glitter, maybe a couple more stickers. But by the time I got these stickers off, I was starting to get flustered. I was running out of time. I had to get out of the house. I had things going on, right? So like I've not been at my house since Sunday night. So it was not a situation where I could spend a lot more time on it, but I wish I could have. Guys, this is the finished set. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. While you're down there, don't forget, I've got buttons. You can hit the thumbs up. You can click that button if it's red. If it's gray and you haven't clicked the little bell, go ahead and do that. Because you know I'm trying to win that algorithm game, and you guys are the ones that help me do that. So thank you for that so much. We will see you next week for more videos. Mwah! Bye-bye.